last video we learned how to dye a fabric. In this video we will learn how we can add various designs to the fabric while dyeing through various techniques. We will start with the most famous tie and dye. What is tie and dye? Tie-dye is a process of dyeing textile or clothing. In this process, we are resisting the area that we don't want to dye through dyeing methods. Any place that the dye can't reach will stay white or a lighter color. We can do this by various methods: folding the fabric, tying it with a string, using rubber bands, etc. Tie-dye craft is a traditional old craft of coloring and it is still popular worldwide. India is one of the leading countries in the use of tie and dye method for fabrics. Gujarat and Rajasthan are especially famous for the fine techniques of bandhani. Now we will start with the most simple and beautiful pattern of tie and dye, circular white rings at the center of the fabric. First, we will mark the center of the fabric. You can draw circles around the center according to the distance you want between the center point and the subsequent rings, or you can do it without drawing. Pick the fabric from the marked dot. Start tying keeping in mind the distance you want between each ring. Roll the thread as many times according to how thick you want the ring to be. The thread should be tied perfectly tight, otherwise color will penetrate the rings and the desired area won't remain white. You can tie close to the center point to get small circles. As I want them at a distance, I will tie them a little far from each other. Like this, we will tie the next circle and so on. So, this is how our tied sample will look. It is now ready for dyeing. I have kept 5 rings which will remain white. Color will penetrate the rest of the area. We will get solid color in the area where the tying process has not been done and light or irregular color between the areas of the rings. Now we will repeat the process of dyeing that we learned in the last video. I am selecting pink color for this sample to make combination of white and pink. First, wet your sample and then dip it in the dye bath with the help of tongs. Dye for 45 to 50 minutes and then pull out the fabric from the dye bath carefully. Wash it thoroughly. Don't forget to dip the fabric in a fixer solution for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure color fastness. Rinse it thoroughly after that. You can open the threads right now or after sometimes. I am opening it right now to show the color effect. These are some samples made with the same method but in other colors. Now we are going to learn dyeing but with multiple colors. We will take the Leheria method to understand multiple colors dyeing. Leheria is a famous and beautiful tie and dye techniques of Jaipur. The dyed sample of Leheria looks the same as the previous method but its dyeing process is different. Umesh sir will show us how to make a Lahariya pattern. First, hold the diagonal corners of the fabric and stretch it. We see that when we stretch it, pleats are forming in the fabric. We have to hold these pleats and make more of them throughout the whole fabric diagonally. Now tie thread at the center tightly. Set the pleats again and tie it again at both sides of the center according to the distance you want. Check the ring's thickness according to how thick you want your lines to come. Laria products are usually made from fine fabrics with thin rings of two or more colors like this. Now dye it in a light color of your choice. We are dyeing it in yellow color. Repeat the dyeing process. Now if you open the sample, it will be in yellow color with the white diagonal lines, but before opening we will add one more color to this. It should be darker than first dyed color, otherwise the color will not get applied to the fabric. We will tie the sample again, but this time tie it between the gaps of the rings we had tied before. Tie throughout the fabric. Now it is ready for dyeing in another color. Repeat the process and the final result should be like this. Similarly, we can add more and more colors to a sample. Here are some multicolored sample of the previous technique and Lahariya. Let's explore some more tying techniques. Horizontal stripes. We can tie a fabric along horizontal lines to get stripes. Traditional bandi. This is again a famous tying method of Rajasthan. Think of a pattern and draw dots accordingly with a pencil. Here I am making the parallel lines pattern of bandhej. As I am doing fine bandhej, we will need a fine thread for this. You can use sewing thread. Now take a really small pinch of fabric from the marked dot and start tying the thread around it. Make a knot as shown in the video. You can use a mustard seeds to put under it to make tying easier. This is an example of a fine bandhani sari. You can use a bigger pinch also while tying according to the design in your mind. You can tie a small bandage to form any kind of motifs. For example, we can draw a paisley or an ambi and tie a pinch of fabric along the drawn figure. You can take any other shapes or pattern as well. Object tying. In these samples, Humishar has put chana dal and chickpeas. You can also tie coins, pebbles, buttons or any shaped object. Spiral pattern. This is another interesting method of tying the fabric. For this, start folding the fabric in a spiral motion. Then tie it like this with the help of a thread and dip it in a dye bath. You can add multiple colors by the dip dyeing process, which we will learn in the next video. This is how its final result should look. Now let's create some interesting patterns with the help of these tying techniques.